pretty much all I've managed to do this week. Rubbish, eh? There are reasons. I sent off a piece of Jones to be 3D printed before I went on holiday. It still hasn't arrived. I had a great idea for something else I could make for this week, but when I got back off holiday, there's a theme running here, I didn't have any materials. I'd ran out. So I put those on order. They arrive today. I'm milling something else on my CNC machine this week, kind of non-project related, so I couldn't get on and remake the new robust head mechanism. So I couldn't do that. It's just been one of those weeks. Hopefully next week will be more productive and I'll get at least one video up.